We know Hyland Automate can integrate key business platforms through low-code automated processes. It's great! But what on earth are you supposed to do with them? Well, quite a bit actually. In my case, I'm automating an order fulfillment process to bring in more of that sweet, sweet cookie dough. Anyways, what happens is an order form is submitted, Automate sorts the order by product and sends it to the appropriate bakery's Slack-based order management system. Shipping information is calculated from order variables. USPS's WebTool APIs are called to purchase a mailing label, which is then sent to the bakery. And finally, a receipt with transaction details is emailed to the customer. Next, I need to get the order into OnBase, which will kick off an existing AR workflow to invoice the customer. Let's make that happen by configuring an OnBase connector. Click Connectors, OnBase. Create a new instance and add a friendly name. Click Apply. Automate is generating a PDF for OnBase, so the connector should go after that task. Once placed, type a display name and set the action to Create Document. Map the inputs for this action next. Content is the process variable that points to the generated PDF. Doc type ID needs to match the corresponding OnBase document type ID from OnBase config. File type ID is 16, which is OnBase's file format ID for PDFs. And keywords are the IDs for each keyword I want added. I'll grab those from OnBase config and map each to its corresponding process variable. Click Add and repeat as needed. Click Update to finish input mapping. Next, I'll open the connector details to configure the parameters needed to securely connect my OnBase repository. The OnBase URL is an endpoint of my system's OnBase API server. Follow this pattern to build this URL. The OnBase auth URL is an endpoint of my system's Hyland identity server. Follow this pattern for this URL. Earlier, I created a dedicated user account in OnBase with the minimum privileges necessary to perform this connector's action. I'll enter that account's credentials here. I'll match the rest of these parameters to the Automate OnBase client connector I previously configured in the Hyland Identity Service admin client. Last, add client secret, which is a layer of security my client connector is configured to require. I'll match the value to the client secret value entered in the IDS admin portal. Okay, polish this off by saving the configuration. And voila! Upon app deployment, I have a fully functional connector that allows seamless communication between my existing OnBase solution and any orchestration I can dream up with Automate. Visit Hyland University to get hands-on building and deploying a basic Automate solution. Then, use that understanding to whip up your own batch of automated processes.